Righto, what a sad day. BMW Enduro wheels. What happened, BMW? Why? Why are they gone from the configurator? Well, the truth is they've been cracking. So they're not the super Enduro wheel that we all thought they were. So what are we doing now? Well, what I'm doing is inspecting mine very carefully. If you have a look at this clip here, you'll see what's actually happening. I would be very cautious when cleaning your bike. I check every nook and cranny for these little hairline cracks. I've had 3 years with Enduro wheels, not a problem at all. I'm pretty hard on my bike, over curbs, things like that, off-road, in Morocco, yeah, not an issue. But it's a sad thing because they're gone, they disappeared. I don't know what BMW are going to do for the people that have got them. I think they'll probably be inspecting them on service and hit the problem if they get a problem. So there's been no word, there's not a recall on them, that's for sure. They've just had a few issues. So be aware, this is not a slate on BMW at all. This is just purely an observation, public information, let's call it. But these lovely wheels are no more. You can't buy them, you can only buy spokes. If you're lucky enough to have them, check them repeatedly, because it will ruin it all, that's for sure. Let me show you, if you haven't got them, what these wheels are all about. Absolutely superb. So check both sides, there and there, and round the whole of the wheel. Now, I've just cleaned mine for the first time since Switzerland last year. What a scuzzy person I am. So yeah, they've gone. So check your wheels, guys, front and rear. And that's all I've got to say on the matter, really. Again, not a slate on BMW at all. It was nice to have them. But if they continue to crack, I'm sure BMW maybe even do a recall on them. So let's see. Or maybe there'll be even a better pair coming out. That would be even better. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.